Pure stock still trending, up 15.71%. This is Wednesday, the 1st of October, 2025. The stock remains a hot topic amongst traders and investors as they continue to debate the implications of its developing partnership with Corning and what it means for scaling solid state battery production. Intraday high in this session, $14.63. Extrapolation is saying that the strength it has picked up. I think it was in this session. It was yesterday and today. Okay, yesterday and today will may remain in place up till Friday, the 10th of October. Then after that, we may have a contraction or the expansion that will make it a complete. If that happens, that will make it a complete cycle if you consider what happened, the expansion that began from the 24th of June. Yeah, you can see that one. This is one. This is one half of a cycle, and then it's trying to. It's going. It's if you like, it's almost three quarters of the way now. Almost getting to three quarters of the way. If this extrapolation were to pan out exactly that way. Projections are saying to the downside 9.99, but we know already we have this intraday high 14.63. We'll see whether there are further upward projections. So we have buying pressure still remains very strong. The 10 and 21 day moving averages, and indeed all the other ones, the 40 and the 200, they are strongly trending solidly. Positions opened all the way back to, if you like, positions open as of now, they're good. Positions open now, they're good. Especially the ones open today. And okay, let's just say the ones opened, before the market, just early in the session. They're still very much good. But going all the way back to 200 days or thereabout, they're still very much good. Okay, so let's see what we have on the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, there's a rejection there. It might reflect on the price pressure momentum. So, however, extrapolation is saying that it's going to remain strong up till um, up till Friday, the 3rd of October. Then it may consolidate, going all the way towards Monday, the 6th pre-market session, and then contract, resume the uptrend by Wednesday, the 8th of October's pre-market session. No guarantee that that will be the case. Okay, here we have extrapolations are saying, price pressure momentums are up. Both the 10 and 21 period moving averages are trending solidly. Remember what I told you about this rejection? As you can see, that's reflecting here. We have a negative derivative on the 10 period moving average and a negative one on the negative first derivative on the 21 period moving average. So still trending. Buying pressure is high. However, short sellers are taking profits. They are taking profits here and they're exiting the position. Yeah, okay. Let's see what we can get in terms of projections. Maybe we may have something along this lines, 14.63 on this 1 minute chart, 14.56, 14.60, 14.68, 14.48. Okay, yeah, we do. We have 16.52, 17.49, 18.08. Yeah, it's always good to come to this single digit minute charts. They're active, and just as the expansions happen, they may also react, and the algos may react and try to, in anticipation of high prices, they calculate, upward projections. But you may not see those on some of the long duration charts. They're not as they're not they don't print, obviously, because being longer duration, they're not as agile as the single digit charts. 14.93, 18, yeah, 18 point, yeah, we have it 16.52. I think we've seen such already. 16.5 to 17.49, 18.08. Let's have a look at the 5 minute chart. 14.46, 12 points. Okay, I think we can make do with 18.08 in the interim. Yeah, we can make do with that in the interim. Let's see what the market grid is going to say. The market grid gives us a range that uh, the stock is supposed to be trading within, but when doing volatile sessions, you may find that the stock may be out of either above or below that range, meaning that yeah, like in this case, it implies that maybe higher prices may continue to print. However, expect a pullback to come back into the grid, expect a pullback to happen. So if it doesn't happen, the market grid will expand to accommodate it. If it sustains the momentum, the grid will adjust to the reality that is prevailing. So we have here between 13.55 and 11.09. Let's see whether the 4 hour chart has reacted. Yeah, it has reacted. The good thing about this is that it may give us the sort of projections we went to look for on the 1 minute chart. Here we have them. We have it's currently trading at 14.15. That's the price. So it's trading in the support zone. So you could say, yeah, maybe lower prices may continue to print because that's usually the case. Or rather, I wouldn't say usually. Sometimes it's like that when it's the support zones. It has the gravity is affecting it. It's battling gravity, and it may not be able to defy it until market participants are convinced that it has dipped enough. It has the opportunity to buy has improved enough. So we have the lows of around 13.36. They didn't print any intraday low recently. 9.85 all the way back to the 17th of last month. So to the upside, we have 15.46. So yeah, that's a decent amount of range. The 15.46 is a slight premium to this intraday high of $14.63. Okay, yeah, that yeah, we'll see how it goes. We'll just glance at the order books to see how things are going. Okay, let's see how active, how liquid, how aggressive. 14.13. Okay, people are expecting it to get there. Yeah, okay. See that massive lots there, 240. See that very aggression is here. Yeah, some aggression is here. Yeah, see that. The good thing, well, I think it's somewhat liquid, but aggression is very high. Aggression is very high. Somewhat liquid. Somewhat liquid, yeah. But yeah, active, very active, surely, no doubt about that. Very active. Okay, yeah, just have a look, and the stock has the potential to get to the highs of around $18. Yeah, and I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.